Hello friends, hope so you're doing well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Messenger application not working problem on your Galaxy S22 or S22 Plus or Ultra. So first of all, just do subscribe and also press the bell icon. So to fix Messenger application crashing or not working problem on your Galaxy S22 Ultra or Plus, just follow every step as I'm showing you in this video. So first of all, just open settings application and follow every step as I'm showing you in this video.